All right, so we're going to be reading a little bit about Greta Thunberg and Earth. These are the extension activities. You do not have these in your work packet. This is just some extra things that we'll be reading and going over, so you can just follow along. So the title page says Greta Thunberg and Earth, which is the same as the title of our article this week. Our next page, we're going to ignore. All right, so I'm going to move this up a little bit so we can see. So this is Greta Thunberg. Greta Thunberg wants to protect Earth. She thinks everyone can help protect Earth. Let's learn about ways you can help protect Earth. Greta Thunberg has many ideas to protect Earth. Many people celebrate protecting Earth on Earth Day. One person who wants to protect Earth is Greta Thunberg. She is 17 years old. Greta Thunberg talks to adult leaders about protecting Earth. She thinks everyone can help protect Earth. She has many ideas about how people can help. So the question we're asking is, will you celebrate Earth Day? Why? So Earth Day, I believe, is it's already, it's tomorrow. So it's on the 22nd. I think by the time you guys see this, it's already over. But you can always celebrate Earth Day every day. You know, Earth is basically doing things to help the Earth. So maybe having less garbage, maybe recycling more, using less water, walking instead of driving places. Those are all little things we can do to help protect the Earth. So here, we're going to go over them. One thing you can do, you can recycle. Recycling is an easy way to help protect Earth. Recycling is taking trash and turning it into something new. Plastic, glass, metal, cardboard, and more can be recycled at recycling centers. Most trash goes into landfills. Landfills can hurt Earth. When you recycle, the trash does not go into landfills. The trash becomes something people can use. What is one thing you can recycle? So let's think, what do we talk about? You can recycle plastics, like these bottles, glass, metal, cardboard, and other things, paper. You can use reusable containers. A reusable container is a container you can use again and again. You can pack your lunch in a reusable container instead of a plastic bag or a paper bag. Plastic bags and paper bags are usually only used once. Many plastic bags or paper bags become trash. Using a reusable container helps lower the amount of trash we throw away. So using a container like this that you can bring home and wash, that means less things that you will throw away. So let's answer this one. Who wants to protect Earth? Is it a litterer, so someone who throws trash on the ground, Greta Thunberg, or George Washington? So who have we been reading about? We've been reading about Greta Thunberg.
Greta Thunberg.
What can be recycled in our recycling bin? Is it volcanoes, clouds, or cardboard? This one's pretty silly. Cardboard. We can recycle cardboard.
Cardboard.
What is usually only used once? A table, a plastic bag, or a computer? So what's something you can usually just use one time? It's a plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
A table you can use for a long time, and computers you can use over and over and over again. You can turn off lights. Lights use energy. Turning off lights saves energy. Saving energy helps protect Earth. Try to remember to turn off the lights when you leave a room. Families can do many activities in the dark. Your family could light candles and eat meals in the dark. You can use a flashlight instead of turning on the lights if you need light. So that's something you can do in the dark. What is something you can do in the dark? You can maybe watch TV in the dark. You can And sometimes in the daytime, you don't need to turn the lights on, right? If you can open your blinds, these, so then the sunlight can shine through, and you don't need to turn on the lights. So if you don't have to, you should leave your lights off. But if you need to turn them on, that's okay. Oh, this one's special. You can plant a tree. Trees make oxygen. People and animals need oxygen to breathe. Trees make food too. Foods that grow on trees include apples, oranges, avocados, lemons, and much more. Trees also give some animals, like squirrels and birds, safe homes. You can plant a small tree and watch it grow. Would you want to plant a tree? Why? So you can think about that. Would you want to plant a tree? We were working on the garden a lot with Mr. Hopkins, and we weren't planting trees, but we were planting a lot of flowers and different plants, and those are all great things to have as well. We also were growing plants, the bush beans in our classroom, remember? So we'll have to start that again when we go back to school for some of us that are going back to the classrooms, just so we can because the plants, unfortunately, I wasn't able to bring home. But it's good to plant your own trees. You can pick up litter. So litter is trash that people have thrown on the ground or forgotten to throw away in a trash can. You can help take care of Earth by picking up litter and throwing it into a trash can. Picking up litter helps keep Earth clean. You can help protect Earth in many ways. So pick up litter. So if you see trash on the ground, whether it's inside the school, inside a building, or outside, like at a park, pick it up so it's because it's not just littering the place, not just everywhere. So how can we protect her? We can pick things up when we see something out of place. We can recycle, lots of different things. What does turning off lights save? Do we save energy? Do we save pizza? Or do we save water? What happens when we turn our lights off? I don't know if you could tell that I turned it on and off. If we turn it off, we save energy.
Energy.
What can you plant? Can you plant a car, a book, or a tree? Which one can you plant? You can plant a tree.
Tree.
What can you pick up to keep Earth clean? TV, litter, or spacecraft? So in order to keep Earth clean, we need to pick up all the litter.
Litter.
We see the trash, we put it in the garbage. And that is it.